Hey guys, Crypto June here with another video. I want to talk about bread. And bread is one of my long-term holdings because I'm seeing something inside the chart I want to show to you. There is a pattern here that shows us a nice target. A target that you need to know. And beside that, I want to talk about Breadbot and what the benefit it is for the bread project. So guys, we have some nice stuff to talk about. And before I start in this video, I want to say guys, we reached 5,000 subscribers. So if you're watching right now and you think, hey, I want to know more about bread. I want to know more about other gems. You need to subscribe to the Crypto June channel and I will appreciate it to support, and of course I want to make some gains together with you. So also in the description we have a free Telegram group, and the first 50 people who are joining will be able to join for free because I want to grow the Crypto June community on Telegram. So if you're fast, it's completely free for you and let's make some gains together. So I want to start with a chart guys. The chart looks amazing for bread and also for the future for bread. So as you may notice, we made a nice buy alert at 400 million. After that, we saw a huge up run all the way up to $1.8 billion market cap. But we saw a pullback, very healthy. It happens sometimes in the crypto market. And then we saw this pattern. We are seeing this descending triangle pattern. We are seeing the support line here and also the resistance line, but we didn't touch it again. We are seeing a new resistance line here. But what happens was a lot of people are buying in this zone. They're supporting the chart. And the people here are selling at this resistance line. And if we look, Bitcoin had a lot of FUD. So we broke below and we tested the new support line. We broke above and then we retested this area. So if we can hold this line, I'm still super bullish. And even if we go back to this line, it's completely okay because then the pattern is a little bit wider, but we don't care. We are still in the pattern. But if we break below this line, yeah, then I need to worry for the short term. But on the long term, I'm still super bullish on bread because the market cap is only 1.3 billion. And if we look at projects like Shiba Inu or Pepe of Doge, like the first two, they reached during the 2021 bull run a market cap of 30 or 40 billion. So with bread doing 1.3 billion, it's still potential 30 or 40x from here. And I really think that can happen when the bull run is going to start with everyone, because we are still in the early phase of the bull run. And of course, the biggest thing needs to happen. So what do I expect with this pattern is, and what I mean with that is, let me grab the brush. So we are seeing here, I will buy myself in this area some more. And if we break below this, I will buy also more. So I have 2 bags to buy right now. And after the first buy, I expect that bread is going to this resistance area. And if we break out, we will retest this line and then we have the next resistance line. So this is what I'm thinking right now because Bitcoin is performing very well lately and the volume is kicking back into the market. But of course, if we break below, we will go into this area and then we're gonna retest it and break below, same retest and get back to this area. So how much profits can we make with this trade? It is, if we buying right now, around 45%. And of course, if you want to do spot or leverage, you can do more, but it's up to you. I prefer spot because of course we can see pullbacks, and with a market cap of this, I don't like such kind of volatile charts to do. So it's up to you. If you want to do spot, I think it's a nice trade for 45%. And if you want to do leverage, it's up to you to do some higher risk. But like, it looks very good for bread, like really. And to give you some more information about the descending triangle, I want to show you this guys. So descending triangle pattern breakout. We can see the resistance line, downtrend line, throwback, and also a pullback to retest the same area and the breakout. And we can see the support line here. So what this means and what we can read in this article, here we have to look for lower highs. This is exactly what we're seeing here. You can also see that the trading volume starts to reduce towards the end of the descending triangle pattern formation. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. We see that the volume in the beginning was super high. After that, we saw a reduce of volume. And right now, the volume isn't that high for bread. But this is because of the market. Bitcoin just broke below the huge support line. And we saw a lot of FUD in the market. But it's getting back, like 65k Bitcoin is nice. People start getting more FOMO and people start buying more tokens again. And once that happens, we will see a nice breakout to the upside. So I'm still super bullish on bread. So I want to talk also about the Breadbot guys. The Breadbot is launched by the community of bread. And I like this kind of things because if you are a bread lover and a supporter of the ecosystem of bread, then I think and suggest you to use use this bot, because they are farming, of course, fees by the bot that you use. And these fees will be used for buybacks and also burns and also for the development of the bread bot, but also for the bread ecosystem. So this is super nice and a super nice incentive. And if you use another bot, why don't you use the bread bot to support your own back? So I like these kind of things. Guys, I think this was the video about bread. So if you're still watching and you liked this video, I will appreciate a like and a subscribe. Let's push the channel to 6,000 subscribers at the end of this month. And don't forget to join the free Telegram group inside this link. First 50 people will be able to join. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.